Hey guys, welcome back. We're shifting our focus to the front yard and the garden beds surrounding our parking slab.
And over the last couple of years, we started to notice that the hedges are starting to look really sickly, especially towards the end of the season. We believe that these were cotoneasters. There's a lot of weeds in this bed. They don't look great, and when we first moved in, they were over 10 feet tall, and we cut them all back, and they've regrown since then. So what we're going to do is we're cutting it back, we're digging them all out. You can see I've trimmed them all back yesterday. We're not recording much in the way of dealing with this. What we will show you is the end result when we start planting it. In the meantime, I'm going to finish this out, dig them out, weed it all, and start moving this mulch into there, as well as starting a new bed area out front, weeding and moving all the mulch over to the side beds here and along the back as well.
After we clean up the weeds, we're heading out to Heritage Hills Nursery for some new plants to fill in the space. Everything is weeded and the holes are all filled in, so now it's time to put everything into the ground. We've already pre-organized it and kind of sized it all up where it's all supposed to go, so we're going to start putting it all in. First up is our limelight hydrangea. We do have one of these at the edge of our garden, our shade garden area, and it's doing fantastic. It'll grow to be about 6 to 8 feet tall and wide, which will fill out the bend nicely without extending into the driveway. It's a hardy flowering shrub that starts blooming in late summer, holding its whitish green flower clusters into the fall. The blooms age and the color changes, ranging from a pink to a burgundy. Now in front of the hydrangea, we do have the night glow dervilla. They're a hardy mounding shrub growing 2 to 3 feet tall and wide. Now they will contrast our limelight hydrangea with a dark red foliage and contrasting yellow flowers in the late spring. And if you trim these flowers, it'll encourage a second bloom later in the season. Next is our ginger wine 9-bark, a medium-sized shrub reaching 5 to 6 feet tall and wide with a purple to red foliage and white flowers in early summer or late spring. This disease-resistant shrub prefers the cooler climates and requires little to no maintenance or pruning, providing you with color without any work. Next up is our evergreen corner. We were looking for a yellow or gold juniper that remains relatively short with a spread to fill the area in around a larger evergreen. And this is what we found, the Saybrook Gold Juniper. It remains low and compact, reaching about 2 to 3 feet tall and spreads approximately 6 feet. We are planting 4 of them surrounding a Trodum juniper. The gold color will contrast nicely against the green.
Bigger in your head.
That thing's bigger than your head, dude. This brings us to the tawtrum juniper, a narrow evergreen shrub which grows large silver blue berries. This will grow 18 feet tall and 4 feet wide, adding a size variation and year-round color and a nice centerpiece to the garden area. Behind the evergreens, we have our dwarf burning bushes. We planted these last year when we removed the first set of our cotoneasters from the area. We planted these 3 compact flowering shrubs, which will reach 6 to 8 feet tall and wide. They have dark green leaves, which will change to a vivid red in the fall and with red berries. To complement the green and contrast the red in the fall, we planted our slow mound mughal pine. They will remain small and compact, filling the areas between and underneath the burning bushes. They will reach 1 to 2 feet tall and wide over the next 10 years, and then they'll reach 3 feet at full maturity. Their compact nature should complement the burning bushes really well without ever interfering with them. Now that they've started work on our stretch of roadway, this has resulted in them cutting back the tree line and mulching it. The county left the mulch behind for the residents to use, so we're going to use it to mulch our beds. Alright guys, so that's it. All the cotoneasters are gone and everything has been replaced. We got to just make sure we stay on the upkeep of this and make sure all the weeds stay gone out of this and everything stays watered so it all survives. Next, we're going to be moving on to the shade garden over here. We're going to start weeding. I got a new weeding tool that we're going to try out and see how that works, and then we're going to start spreading the mulch all over here. I'll give you an update on how that's doing. That'll be in the future. And then we're going to be moving on to the front garden. Doing all the same stuff, weeding and laying new mulch. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.